Harnessing the heavens, we captured lightning. Did you know a single bolt of lightning packs enough punch to power an entire city? It's raw, untamed energy, crackling with potential. For centuries, we've watched it strike, awestruck and helpless. But what if we could capture that power? What if we could bottle the storm and unleash it on demand? The implications are staggering. Imagine a world powered by the sky itself. Clean, renewable, and virtually limitless energy at our fingertips. For years, scientists have chased this dream, facing countless setbacks and dead ends. But now, a team of researchers has achieved the impossible. They've successfully captured and stored the energy from a lightning strike. Using a revolutionary new technology, they've developed a system capable of channeling the immense power of lightning into a sustainable energy source. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. The implications are mind-blowing. We're talking about a potential game-changer in the fight against climate change. So, why aren't we all charging our phones with lightning power? The truth is, scaling this technology is a massive challenge. The initial setup costs are astronomical, and the infrastructure needed is complex. But there's another, darker reason why this technology isn't widespread. Powerful forces are actively suppressing its development. Big Oil sees lightning energy as a direct threat to their dominance. They're pouring money into discrediting the research and blocking its implementation. They don't want you to have access to free, clean energy. This tech could make fossil fuels obsolete, but Big Oil doesn't want you to know. The future of energy is literally hanging in the balance. Smash like if you want a part 2.